Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna be reviewing my Hisense Tornado TV. I'm using it like for past 3 months. So in this video I will be showing 4K quality picture by playing some 4K videos on it, and I will also play some songs through its 102-watt Dolby Atmos speakers. So before that, let's see the remote first. The quality of the remote is really poor, built from bad plastic, cheap plastic. But functionality wise it's okay. Many hotkeys are there, and one more problem I face is I get confused between down button and home page button, which is also a headache. There should be good distance between those two keys, or some good texture, but otherwise yeah, it's okay. So now we will be moving towards all the settings. First I will show all the settings what you can tweak, then I will be showing the 4K videos and some songs. Yeah, so there are so many modes in picture, but I prefer standard. So in standard, backlight level is 50, but I set it to 40 because I don't like too much bright pictures. And this dynamic backlight is it will adjust according to the scene. And this all these settings, color, temperature, motion enhancement, this will change according to your picture settings. But most of you guys will like a dynamic picture mode. So in dynamic, it will increase the backlight to 100%. I also set it to dynamic when I am watching like 4K content. But for dishTV, I use dishTV, so for that it's standard is okay. So here motion enhancement. So if you are watching some anime, set it to off. But if you are watching some sceneries, like for most of the part, set it to standard or smooth. So what that does is most of the video is at 24 fps, so it converts it to 60 fps, so it enhances. And this enhanced viewing angles, yeah, if your hall is big, then keep that enabled. So there are three HDMI ports, so you can set different settings to different sources. And there is also 2 USB ports. So this is sound settings, so I keep it in theater mode because there is a good sound separation between left and right. So I enable this wall mount because I wall mount. I keep this digital audio to Dolby Digital Plus. So its Wi-Fi is really good, and it also has Ethernet port, so if you want to plug via Ethernet cable. So storage, out of 16 GB you will get 11 GB, and I also attached to external hard disk. So there is this screensaver option, like when you are in home page, and after some time it will show these wallpapers. It also has Chromecast built in, which is also very smooth and easy to use. So from Chromecast you can cast your Android phone. So this Falcon and the Winter Soldier, it is Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision. So this TV supports both. To be honest, I don't know means how clearly you can see the picture quality, but it is super nice. Okay, now I will play some songs. So
Okay,
speaker
here are some
is
videos.
102 watt Dolby Atmos speaker, so it is good enough for a big room.
sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary